Despite being one of the most popular providers, ExpressVPN is also one of the most expensive ones. That's why I'm here. I will show you how to use ExpressVPN for free and how to maximize your free time with this provider. Let me start with the obvious, the ExpressVPN free trial. ExpressVPN allows 7 days for free use, but there's a catch. You need an Android or iOS device to register for the trial. Wondering how to get ExpressVPN free trial? You have to be first-time user. Then you will get a free trial offer on the first launch of your mobile app. But you don't have to continue with the mobile app. Once you have the ExpressVPN free trial account, it can be used on any other platform. I've used the ExpressVPN free trial before, and the only issue is that ExpressVPN asks for your payment details. Keep in mind, after the trial, it'll plan to charge you. But I know a way to avoid that. Right after registering for the trial, you can safely cancel the ongoing subscription through either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. This way, your trial will end after 7 days and the subscription won't get renewed. I recommend doing that even if you like ExpressVPN, just because their subscription price in the app stores is quite high. Instead, I suggest that you head down to the description below and get an ExpressVPN discount. But hey, I'm not done with the way to get ExpressVPN free download. After all, ExpressVPN has a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. While it's not a completely free option, so please don't get me on a technicality here. The fact is, you do have to pay 1 month in advance, but before the month ends, you have 30 days to file a refund with ExpressVPN. If you are using ExpressVPN on mobile devices, the app stores will handle all refunds, so you will have to contact them directly. As for desktop devices, you will have to contact customer support to get your refund. While this support system works 24/7 and even has a live chat, I don't recommend waiting until the last moment. In my experience, being a bit more careful goes a long way, so just cancel your subscription 1 to 2 days before the end of the money-back guarantee period. And ExpressVPN deals like the one I mentioned a bit earlier can save you a bit of money. I know you're going to refund it anyway, but hey, a penny saved is a penny earned. This makes it possible to use ExpressVPN free of charge for 37 days. But is this the limit? You see, right now, ExpressVPN runs a friend referral program. If you have a friend that already uses ExpressVPN, they can send you a referral link that will give you and them 30 days of free VPN use. It's even possible to refer a friend who used ExpressVPN before, and both users will get 30 days for free. This means you can use the free trial and the 30-day money-back guarantee and come back for more, provided you have a friend with an ExpressVPN account, of course. Now, if you're still unsure if ExpressVPN is right for you, let me tell you more about it. Some important things to know is that ExpressVPN is on top of the VPN world for a reason. It employs the latest security features, starting from the encryption algorithm and ending with a completely free password manager called ExpressVPN Keys. I also want to highlight Threat Manager, a feature I use all the time to protect myself against malicious links and trackers. This won't replace an antivirus, but extra protection is definitely appreciated. While I found it to be slower than NordVPN or Surfshark, ExpressVPN's performance is reliable. This is especially surprising considering how many countries ExpressVPN covers. It's hard to keep the speed consistent across so many locations. Anyway, talking about locations, ExpressVPN is based in the British Virgin Islands, a country outside of major information sharing alliances, making it quite privacy-friendly. This combines very well with an audited no-logs policy. Personally, I want to highlight ExpressVPN the most for its router compatibility. Right now, ExpressVPN has to be the easiest VPN to set on a router due to its straightforward interactive guide. To summarize, you can use a free trial and a money-back guarantee for 37 days for free ExpressVPN usage, except that you will have to spend a little before you refund. And if you also have a friend with ExpressVPN account, add a total of 30 days on top. That's a lot of ExpressVPN for free there, don't you think? Please let me know when you try this method and whether you've stuck with this VPN after the free trial. ExpressVPN is not the only VPN I've covered lately, so don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content.